Hello everyone, I'm Rick and welcome to Leamington GM. This video will help you learn the common symptoms that indicate your air filter needs replacement. Replacing the air filter is vital as it keeps out unwanted material like dust and leaves from entering the combustion chamber of your vehicle's engine. Clean air and fuel are important to keep your car running smooth and maximize your fuel efficiency. Failing to change the filter can lead to a no-start condition, rough idle, and poor fuel economy. Some of the symptoms of a dirty air filter are your engine is running rough, your engine may not run, you have decreased fuel economy, and sometimes the check engine light may even come on. Sometimes we can clean the filter rather than replace it. Let our expert technicians inspect your filter today and advise you if replacement is necessary. It is a small cost that will deliver long-term fuel savings and a much smoother, better running engine. We look forward to seeing you soon. And until next time, have a great day.